wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 8 best laptop locks. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 8, secure virtually anything with the chargetech anti-theft kit. It uses a super strong 3M adhesive disc to permanently attach a loggable plate to any device and includes your choice of a keyed or 4-digit combination lock to complete the package. This one's great for small devices and comes with a cut-resistant cable. However, it won't work with a case. At number 7, protect your notebook or even a tablet using the maclocks Blade Universal, which includes a bracket that can be affixed to your device using a strong adhesive. It's especially useful for gear without a built-in Kensington security slot. It's great for store display units and resists up to 100 pounds of force, but it makes some computers sit unevenly. Coming in at number 6 on our list, the sendt nblc includes a 6-foot cable and a 4-digit combination for safeguarding your computer from theft. It works with any standard security slot and is available in 4 colors, so you can express a bit of your personality while protecting your valuables. It also fits many TVs and projectors and is made of a sturdy zinc alloy. However, the code is a bit difficult to set. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for laptop locks, or simply click beneath this video. At number 5, the Bodyguard B1210 features a secure lever that must be moved into place in order to set its combination, thus preventing any accidental changes that could leave your computer with a permanent tail. Its reinforced steel cable is impressively flexible. It fits all standard security slots and includes 3 gaskets for a tight fit. You can choose from 10,000 combinations. Halfway up our list at number 4, a Kevlar reinforced stainless steel cable makes the Targus defcon PA400U an impressively secure choice, and it even emits an alarm just in case someone manages to cut it. As an added bonus, it retracts into its housing for tangle-free portability. It can be locked to itself if necessary, and includes a motion-sensitive alarm mode. However, the cable is shorter than some others. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, secure even the latest ultra-thin models without a security slot using the Kensington Station Combo. It can hold any computer with a screen up to 15 inches wide, and you won't have to modify your device in any way to attach it. It's made of sleek brushed aluminum and doesn't interfere with ports on the side, and it won't scratch your computer either. At number 2, if you know you're not the type to remember a combination code, the ruban 3339744 may be the answer. It comes with 2 keys and a 6.2-foot cable that can be looped around any nearby object that's securely affixed to the ground. A cable anchor pivots for flexibility, and it includes a Velcro strap for coiling. It's good quality for the price. And taking the top spot on our list, the Kensington K64673AM is equipped with a push button that can be operated with one hand, making it super easy to attach and detach. Though it won't work with Noble lock slots, it's a simple and reliable choice for any device that uses the company's widespread standard. It features a rubberized bumper that ensures a tight fit, a carbon-strengthened steel cable, and a 2-year warranty. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for laptop locks, or simply click beneath this video.